Today we'll focus on how to set the color and fill color of variables using tags from the Model Style Properties panel. In Stella, you can easily personalize the look of your model by setting the color and fill color of variables based on tags. This approach offers a streamlined way to manage the visual aspects of your model without the need to change individual variables manually. Here is how you can do it. First, start by opening your model in Stella. In this case, I'm using the Tragedy of the Commons as an example. You can assign tags to your variables by navigating to the Documentation tab of the Properties panel. As you can see, I've already tagged some of the variables in the model. Now we want to color these variables based on their tags. To do that, navigate to the Model Style Properties panel, where you can define the styles for various elements in your model. Next, within the panel, you will find options to set the color and fill color for different tags. By assigning colors to these tags, you can create a cohesive and visually appealing model. One of the major advantages of using tags is the ease of updating your model's appearance as you progress in your modeling. If you add a new variable and tag it, for example, as export, it will automatically capture the color that you selected for the export tag. This means you won't need to manually fill in the color for newly tagged variables each time you tag them. Additionally, if you need to change the color of a variable, you only need to update the tag's color settings in the Model Style Properties panel. All variables with that tag will instantly reflect the new color, ensuring consistency across your model. Thank you for joining this tutorial. We hope you find these features useful for your modeling projects. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to get the most out of Stella by IC Systems.